Welcome back to Island Life Live. You know, it's been cold lately, and if you suffer from joint pain, it's been extra uncomfortable for you, but we got you. Dr. Charles Sun is here. He's from NexGenEsis for a new you, and we say aloha no to Dr. Sun. How are you, Val?
Hello, not too bad.
I know you're so busy and you keep on coming back, and we appreciate it.
Have fun doing this.
Now let's talk about joint pain. Now, first of all, I know this is going to sound like a silly question, but what is a joint?
Not silly at all, actually. That's where two bones meet and it allows movement to happen. So thigh bone and your shin bone makes your knee. Two vertebrae together, that makes a segment of your spine, etc.
Well, let's talk about the joint pain. What are some of the causes of joint pain? And I know, like in Hawaii, you get plenty of people that suffer from gout. You get people that suffer from, arthritis.
Right.
So talk about that.
Yes, I mean, there are numerous causes. It's difficult to point to one thing, but arthritis is something that affects a lot of different people. Unfortunately, it is part of the aging process. So we're just talking about a global degeneration of the joint, things like cartilage loss, damage to bones, etc.
Why is it when it gets cold, why does it hurt even more? Why do you get more of that pain?
Or the weather changes,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
I could feel the weather coming, the rain coming. It's the barometric pressure changes in the atmosphere. Due to the inflammation is sensitive to that.
Yeah, because my hands right now are all sore. So yeah, but what are some of the signs or symptoms people should be watching out for?
So the biggest thing, it is a gradual process, right? So oftentimes people will say, oh, when I sit for long periods, or maybe when I first get out of bed, I'm stiff and it's achy, but it starts to loosen up as you move. That is a textbook symptom of arthritis.
Okay, so they should be watching for that. Now, a lot of people in Hawaii, as we mentioned just a little bit earlier, suffer from gout. Can you guys help people with gout at your guys' place as NexGenEsis?
Yeah, I mean, gout is a systemic thing. It's in your blood, right? So that obviously needs to be addressed a separate way. But the arthritis that results from gout, absolutely, we can see what we can do about that.
Okay, well, how do people know when to call you? When should they pick up that phone?
This one, I mean, just like with anything regarding health, right? The more damage there is, the longer you wait, the worse it gets. The earlier we address it, the better.
And I was reading on your guys' website, you guys actually have therapy that doesn't involve surgery or narcotics, right?
That is correct.
That's amazing.
I mean, we're using your body's ability to heal. We concentrate it and put it inside the joints where it doesn't have access to it.
Wow, I love that. So if people want to get a hold of you guys, and I know you're going to be here again next week for a new you, but if people want to, in the meantime, get a hold of you guys and set that appointment, where can they go?
The easiest way is to give us a call at the office, 808-888-6394. Our website's another great option too, NexGenEsisHealthcare.com.
Right on. Dr. Sun, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
We'll see you next week, brother.
Absolutely.